US tax perspective, it depends on the nature of the investment. For the most part, it's not so different from if it was US domestic. I mean, you get, depending on whether you hold it in your own name or structure, we always advise a structure. You get the business deductions that come along with that, and you can extract the revenue as dividends, or maybe it's a capital gains play. So you just let it continue for whatever period of time, and then you flip it and you sell it and you exit that way. So it really depends.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.